there, welcome to my channel. As you can see, it is the weekend. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about some sewing channels that I have really enjoyed this week, and I'm also going to show you how to iron on decal on a t-shirt. If you are new, consider subscribing. It would really help out my channel. Plus, I love just getting involved. I love the sewing community. It's so much fun, and I would love to inspire you. I wanted to join in on the Friday sews, but my life is just so busy. It's hard for me to get a video out on a Friday. I'm enjoying my YouTube channel, but I really just need to balance everything out between God and my full-time job and my family, my friends, my fitness, my health, my sewing. The list just goes on and on and on. Okay, but I'm really gonna try to stay on track here because as a creative, I'm sure you can relate. I have like 10 or 20 things going on in my mind at all times. All these projects that I want to do, the house that needs to be cleaned. I have a 5-year-old to learn her essentials like the ABCs and reading, and you know, that's kind of a big deal. I also have an older daughter that is in nursing school, which that doesn't affect my schedule at all. I guess I just wanted to put a plug in that yes, I have a successful daughter in nursing school. One thing that I have to do to stay balanced as well is, like on the weekends, I do wake up early, like around 6 a.m. And, you know, I go and sew and I can shoot videos and just have fun and have my me time. But by 11 a.m., I shut everything down and I go upstairs and I do like my chores and I hang out with my family and I have family time. So I keep myself on a schedule that way. Okay, so back to the Friday sews. I think I'm just gonna I'm gonna get online every Sunday and just kind of do a recap. Oh, first off though, I do want to talk about these. I have these 3 channels that I've really enjoyed. The first one is called Sew Notes. And what I love about her last video that I watched is she talks about balance as well and working out and staying fit. So as we sew, we're sewing on our bums all day and we really need to keep active. So what she's doing is made herself a goal. Like, okay, if I can work out every day this week, I think it's like five days a week, then I'm going to buy this. And it's some type of sewing tool that she really likes. And I thought, oh my gosh, I need to do that because I'm huge on hiking and getting outside and just the outdoors. But lately I've been so obsessed with sewing, right? Aren't we all? That I've kind of put on a little bit of weight, but also with the whole quarantine thing, yeah, I've put on a little bit of weight, but health is like really essential. So we gotta keep that up there on one of our top priorities. So I thought that was a great idea. You can go ahead and watch her channel and see more about what she was talking about. It's really neat how she shared that information on her channel. The second channel that I really like is called Mari Sews, and I love her personality. She's funny, and she had a video come out that she came across, I think it was at an estate seller, I don't know, but 175 patterns like this that she took home, and she's just kind of showing us all of them, and just her take on them is very entertaining. And she also does a lot of sewing apparel that I don't know, I just love watching it. And check out her channel as well. And by the way, these guys don't even know that I'm mentioning them as I do this video. I just love sharing things, so that's what I do. So the third channel that I love, and I've actually been peeking on this one for a couple weeks, but it's called Rosary Apparel, and she makes really cute dresses, and it's all like coordinating colors. So every dress kind of goes along with the next dress. Like basically you could wear all the dresses together because they all coordinate. And her channel's really fun too because I even watched where she redid her sewing room. She's just got a really nice soft voice and she's really like kind of delicate. I really want to make some of those dresses that she makes. She's kind of inspired me to make dresses, which I do got to fit this into the video as well. Because I've been watching her channel, I then went to Joann's and they were having a sale on their patterns. And so I wanted to start sewing clothes again. I did it years back. You can actually look on my website, delilahThomas.com, where I used to make a lot of dresses and shirts. I'll put some up right there. Okay, so that one I really love because it's just 2 pieces. Well, probably 3 pieces because it's got the facing on it. That is all that I have time to do. But when I went to Joann's, I found this and I really want to make it, but I don't know what I'm thinking. It is going to take a long time. I started cutting it out. Just cutting it out alone, I feel like I could have made a whole quilt in the time that it took to cut out all of the pieces. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this, because I bought the fabric for it. I'm thinking, oh, I should just make this one. This one looks really easy. I think it's just like 3 pieces. But I bought like 3 yards of fabric. What am I going to do with the other fabric? Make 4 of the same fabric shirts? So then I'm like, I better just stick with this. So I cut out all the pieces. Maybe it'll be done in like 4 to 5 years. No, but seriously, I'm gonna try to work on it a little bit here and there throughout the week. Hopefully I can get it done in the next couple of weeks. Okay, so for the project today, like I said, I love to hike and be outdoors, and I really love to sweat and like get my heart pumping. It just really makes me feel alive. And so you might think, well, that's weird. And it's funny because I have found myself, I always use the term, that's weird. And so, you know, when I go out hiking, I have to wear those exercise shirts. But when you buy exercise shirts, they're kind of plain, but you need them to soak up the sweat. Okay, but they're always plain. So I like to buy vinyl and just iron, you know, a cute saying on my shirt. So the saying that's gonna go on my shirt today is going to say, that's weird. So is that weird? That's so weird. I mean, I do feel like, yeah, it is kind of weird to put a saying on a shirt that says that's weird, but whatever, I like the saying. So all you need to attach this to your shirt is just a regular iron will do. And then we're gonna put some cotton over it. So let me show you how to do this. Okay, so this shirt is 95% polyester and spandex. Oh no. Okay. So it's perfectly fine to do iron-ons on this. I've done it many times. And then you're just gonna want to decide where you wanna put it and then make sure that it is straight. So this one, when it was cut, okay. So do I want it right there? Okay, so that looks straight to me. And then what you're going to want to do now is put a piece of light cotton over it. Okay, I just gotta make sure it's not gonna be too high, so that's where this one is. So let's lay our cotton down, and then we're, oops, gonna press this. Oh, I just burned that, dang it. You don't want any steam, and I just burned my ironing board, but it's okay. And then let's go ahead and place that on it for about 30 seconds. Make sure that it's covered by this cloth. I don't have one of those fancy air press things, but the iron works just fine. So that's about 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then just take your time because the iron does not cover the whole entire vinyl saying. So you just kind of have to lift it up and take your time with pressing it. I actually go hiking a lot and I host hikes with the Utah Outdoors group. So it's fun to wear cute stuff like this. Okay, now we're going to see if that took. So you're just gonna pick a little corner and see if it has transferred over to, oh, see, look how easily that is coming off. That is perfect. I mean, how much easier can you get? Oh, no, I'm good, I'm good. Oh, okay, that one is still sticking a little bit. I'm going to iron that one on again a little bit more. And so if it's not coming off easily, just iron it again. And you do want to make sure that it's cooled down before you start peeling it off. And then I'll try it on for you guys when we're done. Okay, and then now I'm just gonna iron it. I took all the plastic off. Okay, and it looks like it's on there pretty good. Okay, and now I'll go try it on. Okay, what do you think? Weird, right? I mean, I just hope someone doesn't see me and they're like, you're weird, but whatever. I know it's weird, but now I can go get my workout on. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It will really help out my channel, and also check out my other tutorials, and I hope you have a great week. So happy sewing!